Hey my dears, it feels so good to do another long-term video besides my shorts. Today we have a look on how to create a plural in Spanish. The easiest way to learn Spanish with me. You will get why you came in a second, but don't forget to look over the other things I do on the channel, even the shorts. Honestly, I missed you. Recently, I was working a lot on shorts that I can do or create content each day. So long-term content had to wait. In my short form content, I often go on important words like hello or most used words in certain languages. So try and watch them out. Nouns which are ending on it's quite funny to say that, vowel. On a vowel, then you just add an S. Okay? Okay. For example, take the word book. In Spanish, the book is el libro, and not only the article is changing, like from el to los. So you say el libro, los libros. ¡Eta! All the time, Spanish words sounds like there's a party. Los libros, vamos a la playa. Nouns which are ending on a consonant, then you just add ENS. ENS. For example, el profesor. So you have a hard ending consonant and you add an ES. And don't forget the change of that article. So from el to los, profesor, profesores, los profesores, los profesores. And when you get nouns which are ending on an S, like el paraguas, then you just change the article from el to los. Los paraguas, los paraguas, los paraguas. There are some irregular or unregular words which are changing a little bit different. Cruz. La cruz. The pronunciation of that is quite hard for me. La cruz. Is it a TH from English? La cruz. If you're Spanish native, help me or help us. Las cruces. Las cruces. From la cruz, how I would say that, or is it better to say la cruz to las cruces? It sounds weird, but I mean, I can't speak out that TH. La cruz? No, la cruz. The Z and the Z is spoken with a TH? Is it really like that? Help us. Another example. La actriz to las actrices. Look how my teacher is saying that.
La actriz, las actrices.
Are we okay with that? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, or visit me on Twitch or even on Instagram. It's very important for me. I need your support. See you the next time. What do you want to learn next? Big wave there. Bye bye.